last class discussed about organization and analysis. So discussed equations and properties of organizers and analysis. There are different reactions, reactions, different to discuss. I told you that second year organic is divided into three parts. So the first part is halogens and halogens. But the second part, the still one is divided into two parts. One alcohols and the others ethers. 12.1 is alcohols, that's 1.2 aldehydes, carboxylic acid. Okay, but today want to start with my one that want to see but you know that in IUPAC, alcohols are not both IUPAC. In general, one is called hydrox. In general, one is called hydrox.
Result. What is given in this column? They have went to say to purchase some pants and sons. There is no number of pants and sons that I have to take. Let the number of sons, number of sons that is equal to x. And also I have to take dash the number of pants that I have to take y. And also what is given in this problem? When the man asked her how many each they had got, అయితే వాళ్ళ ఫ్రెండ్ నేహాన్ అడిగింది నువ్వు ఎన్ని అమ్మగలవు అంటే ఈ ఆన్సర్ వాట్ ఈస్ ఆన్సర్ హియర్ ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ 2 less than 5 the number of and that is given the statement. What is the given the statement means? Here the number of sons The number of sets are 2 less than 5 the number of pants purchased. We'll observe in this one. The number of sets are 2 less than twice the number of pants is purchased. That we have to take the number of sets, we have to take x. The number of sets are that we have to take x is equal to 2 less than means that we have to take minus 2. Twice the number of pants purchased. Pants we have to take y. Twice the pants we have to take 2y. That means 2y minus 2 we have to take. Then this, that implies this value becomes that side x minus 2y plus 2 becomes 0. This is make equation number 1. And also another condition also given. The number of sets is 4 less than 3 times the number of pants is purchased. I will write that statement. The number of sets is 4 less than 3 times the number of pants purchased. But here first we have to take the number of sets, we have to take x is we have to take is equal to 4 less than that we have to take minus 4. 3 times the number of pants. Pants we have to take y. 3 we have to take 3 times we have to take 3y. That means x is equal to 3y minus 4. Then x minus 3y plus 4 is becomes 0. We have to take the two conditions. Here the first condition is x minus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. We have to write that one. X minus 2y plus 2 becomes 0. We have to write their values. We have to take x. What about the value of this one? Minus 2y becomes this side, minus 2y becomes this side, minus 2y becomes plus 2y is equal to x plus 2, where y is equal to x plus 2 by 2. After we have to take the value x comma y. This is the given graph. We have to take and also I have to take the second condition. What is the second condition is x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. Here we have to write that condition x minus 3y plus 4 becomes 0. Here we have to take some x values. Minus 3y becomes this side, minus 3y becomes this side, minus becomes plus. X plus 4 equal to 3y. After that y is equal to x plus 4 by 3. Finally next one is x comma y. We have to take some values. We will observe. Here first I have to take x is equal to 0. First I have to take x is equal to 0. That means 0 plus 2 by 2, that becomes 1. That the given value is 0 comma 1. After I have to take x is equal to 1. 1 plus 2 by 2, that means 3 by 2 becomes 1.5. This I have to written as 1 comma 1.5. After I have to take x is equal to 2. 2 plus 2 by 4. 4 by 2, that becomes 2. That the given value is 2 comma 2. After I have to take the value 3. 3 plus 2 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2, that we have to return as 2.5. This the value is 3 comma 2.5. Here also I have to take some values of x. First I will take that x is equal to 0. 0 is equal to, that means 0 plus 4 by 3. 0 plus 4 by 3, that is equal to 4 by 3 equal to 1 point something. I will take next number. Let x is equal to 1, 5 by 3. I will take next number. Let x is equal to 2. 2 plus 4, 6. I will satisfy. Let x is equal to 2. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 6 by 3 is equal to 2. That the given value is 2 comma 2. After that 3, x is equal to 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 by 3 equal to something. I will take next one. You will take 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 does not divisible by 3. I will take next number. Let x is equal to 5. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 9 by 3 becomes 3. That the given value is 5 comma 3. After I have to take 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 8. 8 plus 4 equal to 12. I will take 8. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. 12 by 3 is equal to 4. That the given value is 8 comma 4. 8 comma 4. You will observe in this one. We have to draw a graph of the following two pair of linear equations. You will observe. First, we have to write the scale of given graph. We will observe on x coordinate values, all are below 8. We have to take on x axis. Scale x axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. We have to take. After that, we will observe the y coordinate. Here also below the 4, 5. That we have to take on y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. We have to take. This is the x axis. This is x dash. This is y axis. This is y dash. Here we have to plot the values. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and also 8. The negative x-axis is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. I will take the y-axis values. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The negative y-axis becomes -1, -2, -3, -4, -6. After that, -6. We will observe in this first pair of linear equation, the first point is 0, 1. The x coordinate must be 0 means it is lies in y coordinate. That means this is the point 0, 1. This is the point 0, 1. This is the given point is 0, 1. After we have to take the next one, that is 1, 1.5. On x-axis we have to take 1, y-axis we have to take 1.5. This is the point 1, 1.5. After we have to take next one. On x coordinate will take x 2, y coordinate also will take 2. That means that is the point 2, 2. After that next one is 3, 2.5. This is 3. This is 2.5. Lies in this point. This is 3, 2.5. I will take second pair of linear equation with the points. I have to draw this line. The name of given line is x minus 2y plus 2 becomes 0. After I have to take the second values 2, 2. This becomes, this is 2 and also this is 2. Already plotted in this place. The name is 2, 2. After that, the next one is 5, 3. This is 5. This is 3. Plotted this place 5, 3. Next one is 8, 4. This becomes 8. This is 4. This is the point is 8, 4. I have to plotted this one. The name of given graph is x minus 3y plus 4 becomes 0. These two pair of linear equations are intersected at the point 2, 2. comma 2 means we know that the values of x comma y. Finally x comma y becomes 2 comma 2, where x is a number of sets and y is a number of points. That is, number of sets is equal to 2, and also number of points is equal to 2. Students, as well as same this type of problems, here 3 becomes 4. We have to satisfy their number of sets is 0 and also number of points is 1. We have to homework that one. I will explain next one. Ten students listen. Given that what is given in this problem, 10 students of class 10th took a part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of boys is 4 more than the number of, if the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, then find the number of boys and the number of girls who took part in the quiz. Who took part in the quiz? Given that, first I have to take, let the number of boys, let the number of boys we have to take x, and also let the number of girls, here we have to take the letter y. And also, what is the first condition given? 10 students, 10 students of class 10th took part in a mathematics quiz. Mathematics quiz. Mathematics quiz. That means a class consists of both boys and girls. Boys will have to take X and girls will have to take Y. That means X plus Y is equal to both students is 10. That we have to take equation 1. And also, what is the second condition given? If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, the number of boys, so I have to write that statement. The number of girls is the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. Number of boys. Listen this one. The number of girls is means we have to take the girls is equal to 4 more than the boys. Boys we have to take X. More than 4 means that we have to take 4. That means Y is equal to X plus 4. This we have to written as, this value becomes this side, X minus Y, that is equal to, what about the value? Minus 4 becomes 0. You'll observe in this one, X minus Y plus 4 becomes 0. This also that we have to written as, what we have to write in this equation means X plus Y minus 10 becomes 0. This is make equation number 1. This is make equation number 2. We have to take some values, find, we have to take some X values, then find the Y values of both equations. Here first I have to find out what is the equation of first one means X plus Y minus 10 becomes 0. We have to take some X values where Y becomes, Y is equal to, minus 10 becomes that side, minus 10 becomes plus X becomes that side, plus X becomes minus X. Finally, we have to take the point of X comma Y. After we have to take the second condition is X minus Y plus 4 becomes 0. We have to take some X values where Y is equal to X plus 4. After that, X comma Y. Here we will observe in this one. Here, first let X is equal to 0. Y becomes 10 minus 0 is equal to 0. That way I have to return as 0 comma 10. After I have to take X is equal to 2. 10 minus 2 becomes 8. That is the given point is 2 comma 8. After that X is equal to 3. After that 0, 1, 2, 3. Here also I have to take the value 1. 1. 10 minus 3. 10 minus 1 becomes 9. That is the point 1 comma 9. After I have to take the point X is equal to 2. That is the point 8. Given point is 2 comma 8. We have to take 3. 10 minus 3 becomes 7. That is the point is 3 comma 7. After I have to take some values in this given equation, X is equal to 0. Y becomes 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. That is the given point is 0 comma 4. And the next one is, I have to take 1. The number is 5. That means 1 comma 5. After 2 plus 4 becomes 6. That I have to written as 2 comma 6. After that, we have to take X is equal to 3. Then the given number is 7. That we have to return 3 comma 7. We have to draw a graph by using these points of both equations. Here we have to draw. This is the x-axis. This is x dash. This is y. This is for y dash. First, I have to write a scale. Scale on x-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to, all are below 7. That way I have to take 1 unit. On y-axis, 1 centimeter we have to take, 1 unit we have to take. I will take the points. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And also the negative x-axis is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 and -8. After we have to take the y-axis values, this becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The negative y-axis is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. After that -7. Then first we have to take these values. First one is 0, 10. 0, 10. Here, where x coordinate is 0 means it is lies in y-axis. I have to take some more graph. I will take one more point 4. This is the value is 6. That I have to written as 4, 6. Lesser value we have to take. This is for, this is 1, 2, 3, after that 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and becomes 9. Here the first point is 1, 9 we have to take. Here the point is 1, this is 9, that is plotted, the point is 1, 9. After we have to take 2, 8, this is 2, this is 8, we have to take 2, 8. After that 3, 7, this is 3, this is 7, name it as 3, 7. Finally we have to take 4, 6, this is 4, this is 6, plotted at this place, 4, 6. We have to draw this one by using a line. The name of given line is x plus y minus 10 becomes 0. After that, the pair of another points is 0, 4, where x coordinate must be 0 means it is lies in y-axis, that the point is 0, 4. After that 1, 5, this is 1, this is 5, that we have to take 1, 5. Next one is 2, 6, this is 2, this is 6, name it as 2, 6. After that next is 3, 7, I am sorry, this is 2, this is 6, name it as 2, 6. After that next one is 3, 7. 3, 7 is already plotted in previous line. Here also plotted that one. I have to draw a line, join with them. Both pair of linear equations are joined with the point x, y, that is x, y is equal to 3, 7. What we have to find out in this problem is that the number of boys, let the number of boys, here let the number of boys we have to take the value x, where x is become 3, and also the number of girls, number of girls we have to take y, where y is a 7, that is the number of girls is equal to 7. That is asked in this given problem. Huh? Sorry. I will explain next one. Five pencils, We will observe in this one, this is most important for 4 marks. So many times asking in public examination, what is given in this problem? 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost is 50 rupees, whereas 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost is 46 rupees. Find the cost of one pencil and that of one pen. There is no cost of pencil and pen. That means first I have to take, let the cost of pencil, pen is equal to x rupees. After I have to take, let the cost of pencil is equal to y rupees. You'll observe that the cost of pen we have to take x rupees, and also the cost of pencil we have to take y rupees. Here 5 pencils and 7 pens. First we have to take pencils. I'm sorry. This is for pencil is equal to x rupees. After that pen is equal to y rupees. What is given in the first statement? 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost is 50 rupees. That I have to written as 5x plus 7y is must be equal to 50. This is make equation number 1. After that, what is the second condition? 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost is 46 rupees. That I have to take 7x plus 5y is must be take 46 rupees. This is for equation number 2. Here by using these two equations, we have to consider some x values and find the y value. First we have to take the first equation. What is the first equation means? Where the first equation is 5x plus 7y must be equal to 50. Here we have to take x. We'll observe in this one, 5x plus 7y is must be equal to 50, where 7y is equal to 50 minus 5x, as well as y is equal to 50 minus 5x by 7 we have to take. After that the value is x comma y. We have to draw a table. And the second equation is 7x plus 5y is must be equal to 46. Here we have to consider some x value. Here we have to take y is equal to 46 minus 7x by 5. After we have to take the value x comma y. We'll observe in this one. Here first I have to take some x values. I will take that x is equal to 1. 5 ones 5. 50 minus 5 becomes 45. 45 by 7. 7 ones, 7 fives, 7 six, 7 eights, 7 nines. I'm sorry, 7 ones are 7. 7 is divisible by 49. 7 6 42, then remaining is 3. 0.074 28. Remainder is 2. That I have to take 6.4. That is the point, name it as 1 comma 6.4. After we have to take let x is equal to 2. Let x is equal to 2. That means 50 minus 5 into 2. 5 to 10. 50 minus 10 becomes 40. 40 by 7. 7 can be divisible by 40. 7 5 is 35. Remaining is 5.0. 7 7 is 49. Then remaining is 1. That way I have to take 5.7. That is the point 2 comma 5.7. After I have to take let x is equal to 3. Let x is equal to 3. 5 3 is 15. 50 minus 15 becomes 35. 35 by 7. 7 ones, 7 fives. That is the point 3 comma 5. After I have to take let x is equal to 4. 5 fours 20. 50 minus 20 is 30. 7 fours 28. Remaining is 2.0. 7 twos 14. Then remaining is 6 that I have to take 30 by 7. 30 by 7 becomes 4.2. The order pair of 4 comma 4.2 will take. After that, we have to take some values of given one. Here first x is equal to 0 become x is equal to 0, then 7 into 0 becomes 0. 46 by 5. 5 nines 45. Then remaining is 1.0. 5 twos 10. That I have to written as 46 by 5 is equal to 9.2. I have to take. That means 0 comma 9.2. After I have to take let x is equal to 1. 46 minus 7 is equal to 39 by 5. 39 by 5. 5 sevens. 35. Remaining term is 4.0. 5 eights 40. The remainder is 0. That is the point is must be equal to 7.8. The value is 1 comma 7.8. After I have to take let x is equal to 2. 7 to 14. 46 minus 14 is equal to 32. Here the value is 32 by 5. I have to take 35 by 2. So I'm sorry, 32 by 5. 5 6 30. Remaining is 2.0. 5 4 20. The remainder is 0. That is the point is 6.4. 2 comma 6.4. After I have to take that x is equal to 3. 7 3 is 21. 46 minus 21 becomes, this is for 5 2. 25 by 5. This will take 25 by 5 is equal to 5. That is the given point is 3 comma 5. We will observe in these two equations, both equation has the point 3 comma 5 and 3 comma 5. They will be intersect at the point 3 comma 5. We will draw a graph. We will draw a graph. This is y axis. This is y dash. After I have to take this is x. This is x dash. First I have to write scale. We will observe in x coordinate values. All are below 4. We have to take 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. X axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit will take. After that we have to check it their y axis. The longest time is longest one is 9.2 that we have to take on y axis. 1 centimeter also 1 unit will take. We'll observe. We have to draw the points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After the 10, we'll take the negative x-axis. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, and -10. How to take the y-axis? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Finally become 10. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, and becomes -10. Their first plotted point is 1 comma 6.4. On x-axis we have to take 1, y-axis we have to take 6.4. 6.4 is lies in 6 and 7. This is 1, 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, and 6.4. This becomes 1 comma 6.4. Name it as 1 comma 6.4. After we'll take 2 comma 5.7. This becomes 2. 5.7 is lies between 5 and 6. 5.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 5.7. I have to take this is 2. This is the point 2 comma 5.7. After we'll take the point 3 comma 5. This is 3. This is 5. Will become the place. This is 3 comma 5. After we'll take 4 comma 4.2. This is 4. This is 4.2. This is the point name it as 4 comma 4.2. We'll join with a line. The name of given line is 5x plus 7y is must be equal to 50. After that, plot remaining pair of linear equation. The first one is 0 comma 9.2. Where x coordinate must be 0 means it is lies in y coordinate. 9.2 lies in this place. 0 comma 9.2. After that is 1 comma 7.8. This is 1. This is 7.8 lies. 1 comma 7.8. The next number is 2 comma 6.4. This is 2. This is 6.4. We'll observe. This is 2 comma 6.4. Will become this place. This is 2 comma 6.4. This is the place. This is the place 2 comma 6.4. After the point is 3 comma 5. This is 3. This is 5. Already plotted in this place. I have to join with them. We'll observe. How to join with them these points. The name of given line is 7x plus 5y is must be equal to 46. Both of pair of linear equation can join with the point is 3 comma 5. What we have to find out in this problem, the cost of pencil and the cost of pen. Here the coordinate x comma y is must be take. What is the point means 3 comma 5. That means first we have to find out cost of a pencil. Cost of a pencil is equal to how much rupees means 3 rupees. And also next we have to find out the cost of pen. Cost of a pen we will take y rupees, where y is a 5 rupees. That is asked in this given problem. Now I am going to next problem. This is most important for 4 marks. This is most important for 4 marks. What is asked in this problem? Of the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meters more than its width is 36 meters, find the dimensions of a garden. The dimensions of a rectangular means there is a length and breadth. First we have to take let the length and width of a rectangular garden are x and y respectively. This is most important for 4 marks. What is the first statement given? Of the perimeter of a rectangular garden is 36 meters given. Of the perimeter of a rectangular garden is 36 meters. We will observe in this one. Half means we will take 1 by 2 of perimeter of a rectangle. We will take 2 of L plus B. Where length we have to take x, width we have to take y. That we have to written as 2 of x plus y will become 36. Where 2 and 2 will be cancelled. Then x plus y will become 36. This is my equation number 1. What is the second condition given? Whose length is 4 meters more than width. Whose length is 4 meters more than its width. What is given in this one means the length we have to take x 4 meters more than its width means that we have to take y is equal to x plus 4. Whose length is 4 meters more than its width. Width kante length అనేది 4 meters ఎక్కువ అంటాడు. Where width we have to take y is equal to more than length 4 meters, that we have to take y plus 4. This we have to written as, this value becomes this side, x minus y plus 4 becomes 0. This is my equation number 2. This is also x plus y minus 36 becomes 0. We know the two equations. We have to solve in these two equations. The first consider the equation is x plus y minus 36 becomes 0. That means we have to take some x values where y is equal to minus 36 becomes this side, 36 minus x. After we have to take the values of x comma y. And also we have to take the second equation is x minus y plus 4 becomes 0. That is y is equal to x plus 4. After we will take the value x comma y. We will observe in this one. Here first I have to take the value x is equal to 8. X is equal to 8. I will take 10. X is equal to 10. Will y become 36 minus 10 is equal to y, because of x is equal to 1 means 36 minus 1 is equal to 35. It is more than axis of the graph. We have to take the minimum values of the graph. 36 minus 10 becomes 26. That is the point 10 comma 26. After we will take x is equal to 12. 36 minus 12 becomes 24. That is the point is 12 comma 24. After we will take x is equal to 14. 13 minus 14 is equal to 12. That is the point is 14 comma 12. 14 comma 12. 36 minus 14, that is 2 to 22. So I am sorry, that is not 12. This is for only 22. So I am extremely sorry. Now I am going to next one, that is x is, we will take 20. 20 minus 36 is equal to 16. That we have to take 20 comma 36. After we will take x is equal to 24. 24 minus 36 minus 24 will become 12. That is the point 24 comma 12. After we'll take this one, x is equal to 10, y become 14. That is the point 10 comma 14. After we'll take x is equal to 14, y become 18. That is the point 14 comma 18. After we'll take x is equal to 18. After we'll take x is equal to 18, we will take 12. So I'm sorry, 12. 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. That is 12 comma 16. After we'll take 20. That is the point 24. 20 comma 24. After I have to take the point 24. 24 plus 4 is equal to 28. That is the point is 24 comma 28. After we'll take the next one is 26. 26 will take, that is the point is 30. That is 26 comma 30. Can you have any intersecting point in this one? 10, 12, 20, 24, 26. There is no intersecting point. We'll take 8. 10, 26 not there. 12, 24 also not there. 20, 24. We'll observe 36, 20 comma 24. Some more examples we have to take in this one. Let x is equal to 10. 36 minus 10 becomes 26. That is the point 10 comma 26. After that x is equal to 12. 36 minus 12 becomes 24. That is the point 12 comma 24. After that the point 36 minus 14 is equal to 2. 36 minus 14 will become 2, 22. And also we'll take x is equal to 20. 36 minus 20 becomes 20 comma 16. So I'm extremely sorry. This is the point 20 comma 16. After we'll take x is equal to 24. 36 minus 24 is equal to 36 minus 24 is equal to 12. That is the point 36 comma 12. Here we will observe what is the given point we'll take. ఎంత ఉంది టైము? అయిపోలే ఇంకా. టైం ఎంత ఉంది? అయిపోయిందా? వెయిట్ జస్ట్ 2 minutes. I'm sorry, the small mistake in this one where x is equal to y plus 4. That becomes x minus y minus 4 becomes 0. This is the small mistake in this one. So I'm extremely sorry. Where y becomes x minus 4 will take, we'll observe in this one. Here 10 I have to take, the point is 10 minus 4 will become 6, 10 comma 6. 12 I have to take, 12 minus 4 that becomes 8, that is the point 12 comma 8. After that 20 minus 4 that becomes 16, that is the given point is 20 comma 16. After that is 24, this is the given point 24 comma 20. And finally, next one is 26 minus 4 equal to 22. That is the point 26 comma 22. We have to draw a graph in this one. Their intersecting point is 20 comma 16 will be plotted in this graph. That's enough. I will explain next class.